Hi everyone, welcome to Rapid Resizer. I'm Melissa, and this week I'll be carving a pumpkin using a sugar skull stencil that I made using the free Letter Stencil Maker. Here's how you can make one too. Go to Rapid Resizer, click on New Project, and go down to the Letter Stencil Maker. Go to where it says Load a Photo and click on Choose File. So I just loaded an image of a sugar skull that you can get from our blog. So we want this image to be dark enough to use as a stencil. So we can use each of these different tabs and also the slider from dark to white to get the effect that we want. For this design, I'm going to use the Adaptive tab. This will work fine as a stencil even though it has these white dots for the stars in it. And if you're using the free version of Rapid Resizer, then you can print on one page. If you're a paid Rapid Resizer subscriber, then you can print across as many pages as you like. If you have a big pumpkin and you want to print this across 4 pages. If you're using the free version, just click on Download or Print on one page, so you can save it to your computer or click here to print. Cut the image into a circle and tape it to the pumpkin. To transfer the skull to the pumpkin, we need to poke holes all around the design. If you have a pumpkin carving kit, it might have come with a tool that will poke holes. Otherwise, you can use a regular push pin or even a pen. Now you can remove the stencil and start carving. Another option is to cut some of the shapes just partway into the pumpkin so that you can see the design but you don't have to cut all the way through. To do this, you'll need a tool that is slightly curved, like the kind that is used for wood carving or lino cut projects. I'm just using the tip of a vegetable peeler, which works fine as well. You can also decorate a pumpkin with a sugar skull by putting carbon paper between the stencil and the pumpkin, tape it down, trace the design, and then you can color it in with a permanent marker. Whichever method you use, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please comment below if you have any questions, and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Thanks for watching!